Hi everyone, welcome to 21 Carrock Court in Mount Coolum, affectionately known as the Treehouse. We're located in a quiet court and character is absolutely on the menu. We've got beautiful timber floors, vaulted ceilings and rock walls that carry from the outside to inside the property. We're also backing onto a pretty special garden. Let's take a look inside. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to show you through this beautiful home. Please don't hesitate to give me a call and we'll give you your own private tour of the Treehouse.